Imagine this. You sink your teeth into a pizza. The crust is soft and airy. It has a slight char. The aroma of yeast and flour fills the air. The sauce is bright and tangy. It's made with San Marzano tomatoes. Creamy mozzarella melts on top. Fresh basil leaves add a pop of flavor. This is Neapolitan pizza. It is a culinary masterpiece. It has been perfected over centuries in Naples, Italy. This pizza is not just food. It's an experience. It's about the taste, the aroma, and the texture. It's about sharing a piece of Italian tradition with friends and family. Today we embark on a culinary journey. Our destination, your kitchen, our goal, to recreate the magic of Neapolitan pizza. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll unlock the secrets of this iconic pizza. We'll learn about the ingredients. We'll master the techniques. By the end, you'll be able to impress your friends. You'll be able to transport yourself to the heart of Naples with every bite. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get cooking? Let's begin. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. Neapolitan pizza is simple, but it relies on high-quality ingredients. Flour. We'll use 00 flour. It's finely ground Italian flour. This gives the dough its signature texture. Yeast, active dry yeast, is our friend here. It's what gives the dough life and that beautiful rise. Water. Use filtered water for the best results. Salt. Just a pinch to enhance the flavor. San Marzano tomatoes. These tomatoes are essential. They have a sweet, low-acidity flavor. Fresh mozzarella. Look for mozzarella di bufala. It's made with buffalo milk. This gives it a rich, creamy texture. Fresh basil. A handful of basil leaves adds freshness and aroma. Extra virgin olive oil. Use a high-quality olive oil. It adds flavor and richness to the pizza. Remember, quality ingredients equal a delicious pizza. Section 4. The heart of the pizza, crafting the dough. Now let's make the dough. This is where the magic begins. First, in a bowl, combine warm water, yeast, and a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. You should see bubbles forming. That's the yeast waking up. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together the 00 flour and salt. Then, make a well in the center of the flour mixture. Pour in the yeast mixture. Gradually incorporate the flour using a wooden spoon or your hands. After that, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for about 10 minutes. The dough should become smooth and elastic. Finally, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover it with a damp cloth. Let it rise in a warm place for at least 1 hour or until doubled in size. This dough needs time to develop its flavor and texture. Be patient. The results will be worth it. Section 5. The Flavor Punch San Marzano Sauce. While the dough is rising, let's make the sauce. This is a simple sauce. It lets the flavor of the tomatoes shine. First, crush the San Marzano tomatoes by hand. You can also use a food processor for a smoother sauce. Next, gently simmer the crushed tomatoes in a saucepan with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a few basil leaves. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until slightly thickened. That's it. No need to overcomplicate things. The simplicity of this sauce allows the natural sweetness of the San Marzano tomatoes to take center stage. The aroma of the simmering sauce will fill your kitchen with the sense of Italy. Section 6. Shaping the canvas. From dough ball to pizza crust. The dough has doubled in size. It's time to shape it. First, gently punch down the dough to release air bubbles. Divide it into 2 equal portions. Shape each portion into a ball. Next, place a dough ball on a lightly floured surface. Using your fingertips, gently press and stretch the dough from the center outwards. Work your way around the dough, leaving a slightly thicker rim for the crust. Avoid using a rolling pin. It would squeeze out the air bubbles we've worked so hard to create. The goal is to create a thin crust with a slightly puffy edge. Section 7. Creating your masterpiece pizza assembly. Now comes the fun part, assembling the pizza. First, a pizza peel is a large wooden or metal paddle. Sprinkle it with flour or cornmeal to prevent sticking. Next, carefully transfer the shaped dough onto the prepared pizza peel. After that, spread a thin layer of the San Marzano sauce over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Finally, tear the fresh mozzarella into pieces and scatter it over the sauce. Add a drizzle of olive oil. Remember, less is more when it comes to toppings. We don't want to weigh down the dough. And there you have it, an authentic Neapolitan pizza right from your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Buon appetito!